Hello everyone, welcome to my new video with a new technical analysis of Bitcoin. When we look at the chart of Bitcoin, today we are the 24th of June 2020, and if we look at the chart, we can see that the price of Bitcoin has stayed below this blue trend line. So this is a strong resistance line, and we also have a strong resistance line around 9,800. This is this line, but in fact we have a strong resistance in this complete zone from 9,800 until 10,500. So it's probable that we won't breach this resistance zone. Instead, we will go down more. Maybe we will find support on this line, or on this line, and this will be around 8,700. And when we breach this resistance, probably we will take a nosedive fast, and we can also look at the ATR indicator, and this indicator shows us the volatility, and the volatility is very low at this moment. But when the volatility is low, usually a big move is coming. For example, here the volatility was also low, but then a big decline happened. Or here the volatility was low, but we had a big advance. And another way to look at the volatility are the Bollinger Bands. If we change the time frame to 1 day, and we add the Bollinger Bands, we can see that the Bollinger Bands have been narrowing, and when there is a squeeze of the Bollinger Bands, this means a big move is coming, This can be a big decline or a big advance, but in my opinion, it will be a big decline. Because we can clearly see that we have formed 3 tops now in June, which have respected this trend line. And for example, in February, we also had 3 tops, which was followed by a big decline. So we have a similar situation now. When we look at the bigger picture, we can see that since the beginning of 2018, we have respected these 2 orange trend lines, and since June 2019 we are in a so-called megaphone pattern, and the price of Bitcoin has stayed between the trend lines. So as long as Bitcoin does not break out of these trend lines, the trend is still respected, and so we can expect a decline from here, and we can find support on this trend line that will be around 5,000. And if we look at the weekly stochastic RSI, we can see that this indicator has just turned bearish, and in February it indicated the start of the decline. Also, this is a new chart about the Bitcoin dominance. Since the start of the bull run in 2017, the Bitcoin dominance has been declining until the all-time high in January 2018, and since then it has formed a triangle pattern, and here we had the February top, and here our current top. And if we would break this trend line to the downside. This would indicate the start of a new bull run, but it's more probable that the Bitcoin dominance will move up again. And if it would break this trend line, this would be very bearish. But anyway, this triangle will be broken before December of 2020. And then we will know if we get a new bull run or a new bear market. The price of Bitcoin is also closely correlated to the stock market. And this is a chart of the S&P 500 index. And this was the crash following the pandemic. And since then, there was a big rebound, but this rebound has now lost steam, and we broke this trend line. And we can see that we are moving further away from the trend line, and probably we will continue to go down from here. And this chart shows us again the Bitcoin price, but these are Fibonacci circles, and we can see that this was a big resistance, and the price will not go up, but probably go down more until this circle and this is another Fibonacci pattern. Each line indicates a resistance or a support, and we found resistance on this line with the recent advance, and now we will probably go down again. This was all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and see you tomorrow.